The kitchen is the heart of any home, and having the right tools can make all the difference in your cooking experience. This Cook & Home Hard Anodized Nonstick Wok with Lid, a versatile and high-performing cookware essential that combines style, durability, and functionality. Whether you're stir-frying crisp vegetables, sautéing savory meats, or steaming delicate dumplings, this 12-inch wok promises to elevate your culinary creations to new heights. With its hard anodized construction, this wok is tougher than traditional stainless steel and resists wear and tear like a pro. The premium non-stick surface allows for healthier cooking with less oil, and cleanup becomes a breeze. Designed to perform across various stovetops, including induction, and complete with a tempered glass lid and ergonomic handle, the Cook & Home Wok is more than just cookware. It's a game changer for home chefs and professionals alike. Key features and benefits. Number 1. Hard anodized construction for durability. The Cook & Home Wok is crafted using a hard anodized process that makes it denser, harder than stainless steel, and highly resistant to chipping or scratching. Enhanced longevity, perfect for everyday cooking and long-term use. Scratch-resistant surface, withstands regular wear and tear while maintaining its sleek look. Number 2. Non-stick excellence. This wok is coated with a premium non-stick surface, allowing for effortless food release and reducing the need for excessive oil. Healthy cooking. Cook with less oil for healthier meals. Easy cleanup. The non-stick surface ensures that food residue wipes away with ease. Number 3. Flat bottom design for versatile cooking. The flat bottom design ensures even heat distribution and compatibility with various stovetops. Compatible stovetops: induction, gas, electric, ceramic, halogen, and glass. Even heating eliminates hot spots, ensuring consistent results. Number 4. Ergonomic handle and tempered glass lid. Designed with practicality in mind, the wok features a riveted stainless steel and plastic handle that stays cool to the touch. The tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your food while keeping heat and moisture locked in. Secure grip. Riveted handles provide safety and comfort. Steam vent lid prevents condensation while cooking. Number 5. Oven and dishwasher-safe. With an oven-safe capability of up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher compatibility, this wok is as convenient as it is functional. Hassle-free maintenance. Simplifies your post-cooking routine. Oven-safe. Ideal for recipes that require finishing in the oven. Why choose the Cook & Home Hard Anodized Nonstick Wok? Premium construction. Durable hard anodized material ensures long-lasting use. 2. Effortless cooking. Non-stick surface for easy food release and quick cleanup. 3. Versatility. Compatible with multiple stovetops and ideal for various cooking methods. 4. User-friendly design. Stay cool handle and tempered lid enhance functionality. 5. Aesthetic appeal. Sleek black finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. This wok is perfect for whipping up quick and delicious stir-fries, sautéing vegetables with minimal oil, deep-frying appetizers or side dishes, steaming dumplings and other delicacies, preparing one-pot meals for family dinners. Conclusion. The Cook & Home Hard Anodized Nonstick Wok with Lid is the ultimate combination of functionality, durability, and style. Its hard anodized construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the non-stick surface simplifies cooking and cleanup. This wok's flat bottom design, ergonomic handle, and tempered glass lid make it an indispensable tool for any kitchen. Whether you're preparing a quick weeknight stir-fry or an elaborate family dinner, this wok is up to the task. Its versatility, ease of use, and sleek appearance make it a standout choice for home chefs and professionals alike. Don't miss the chance to upgrade your cookware collection. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home the Cook & Home Hard Anodized Nonstick Wok today. Make every meal an enjoyable and effortless cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.